English Talk Show. Learn English through real conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk Show podcast.
Hi there, friends. I'm Erica, and I'm so glad you're here.
And I'm Peter. We're here to bring you real conversations that boost your English.
Today's topic is something we all enjoy and need every single day.
But before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and like this episode.
Exactly. Subscribe now and tap the bell so you never miss an update.
Also, tell us where you're watching from in the comments below.
We love seeing your cities and countries. It helps us send shout-outs next time.
Shoutouts make us smile.
Now, let's get started. Today, we're talking about food, favorites, ordering, and more.
From cafes to restaurants to delivery, you'll learn the right phrases.
And practical tips you can use right away.
Oh, and don't forget, if you want our free PDF guide, How to Speak English Fluently,
The link is in the description and the pinned comment below.
it's packed with examples and exercises to help you practice daily.
All right. Imagine we're walking into a cozy cafe on a sunny morning.
The smell of fresh coffee drifts through the air.
We step up to the counter, my stomach's already rumbling.
Great, let's order our favorite breakfast treats.
Ready? I'll go first.
Go ahead, Erica.
Good morning. May I have a cappuccino, please?
Perfect. And then?
And one berry muffin, please.
Simple and polite. That's exactly right.
Now, your turn, Peter.
Good morning. Could I get a latte, please?
Lovely choice.
And a butter croissant, please.
Delicious. Let's grab a window seat and chat.
Let's break down that order to practice.
First, good morning. May I have a cappuccino, please?
Next, and one berry muffin, please.
If they ask size, small, medium, or large.
To clarify ingredients, excuse me, what's in this muffin?
Always okay to ask. That way you avoid surprises.
Then they'll ask, for here or to go.
Simply say, for here, please, or to go, please.
If you need cream or sugar, could I have some sugar, please?
Or, could I have my latte with oat milk?
Personalizing your order shows confidence.
No. After ordering, where should we sit?
I love a cozy corner with soft lighting.
I prefer a window seat to watch people.
While sipping, you can practice small talk.
Try, the weather is lovely today, isn't it?
Or, this cafe has such a nice vibe.
Small talk builds real-world confidence.
Ready to move on to lunch scenarios?
Let's do it. Bring on the midday meal.
Picture a casual sit-down restaurant next.
You walk in and say, table for two, please.
Host leads you, you sit, and the server arrives with menus.
Could we have a few more minutes, please?
Perfect phrase to buy time.
Then you choose. I'll have the grilled chicken salad, please.
And I'll take an iced tea, please.
If you're curious, what's the special today?
Or, what do you recommend?
So easy. And polite.
Quick tip. When you want the check, say, could we have the bill, please?
In the US, they say check. So you might hear, can I get the check?
Both work. Just listen for the local term.
Now, fast food time. Ordering at a counter.
You step up and say, I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Then, and medium fries, please.
Don't forget your drink. A large soda, please.
Again, for here or to go.
Easy and quick. Great practice for speed and clarity.
Next up, a trendy coffee shop with snacks and sandwiches.
You could say, could I see the pastry case, please?
Or, what sandwiches are available today?
When they answer, you reply, I'll have the turkey and avocado sandwich.
And for your drink, a matcha latte, please.
Coffee shops help you learn adjectives: foamy, creamy, brewed.
You can ask, is this brewed fresh daily?
Or, how strong is the espresso?
Now, let's switch to phone orders.
You call and say, hello, may I place an order?
They ask, sure, what would you like?
I'd like one large pepperoni pizza, extra cheese, please.
Then state your address. It's 123 Maple Avenue.
Ask, how long will the delivery take?
Practice speaking slowly and clearly on the phone.
Now, Section 3 pause. No goodbyes yet.
We're saving farewells for the grand finale.
Ready to explore app ordering next?
Absolutely. Section 4 coming up.
Let's imagine using a delivery app.
You open the app and choose your favorite restaurant.
Tap Italian and scroll through pizzas and pasta.
Found something? Add to cart.
Review: large margarita pizza, garlic breadsticks, and soda.
Hit checkout and enter address, phone, payment.
The app shows an estimated delivery time. Nice.
Apps are super convenient and great for English practice.
Remember to read each prompt in English.
Now, cultural tip. Tipping etiquette.
In the U.S., 15 to 20% tip is normal.
You can ask, is service included?
In some countries, a service charge is added automatically.
Another tip, pronouncing menu items.
Words like quinoa or gyro can be tricky.
Ask, could you pronounce that for me, please?
They'll repeat slowly. Great learning moment.
And pick up new slang. Grub for food, chow down to eat heartily.
Let's role-play a quick dine-in scene.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
I'll have the fish tacos, please.
And I'll take the veggie burger.
Server, any sides?
Could I get sweet potato fries, please?
And 1 iced tea and 1 lemonade.
Perfect, balanced order.
When the meal's amazing, say, "That was delicious, thank you."
Or compliments to the chef.
Genuine praise goes a long way.
Section 4 complete. Still no goodbyes.
Let's talk about pickup orders by phone.
Call and say, hello, I'm calling to pick up my order.
Give your name. It's under Peter Smith.
They'll say, your order is ready for pickup.
Then you head over and say, "Hi, I'm here for my order."
Easy and practical English.
Next, home delivery by phone. Very common.
Hello, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery.
1 large cheese pizza and 2 chicken burgers, please.
My address is 456 Oak Street.
Can I pay by card?
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes. Thank you.
2 times we've plugged our free guide already.
If you need more practice, download How to Speak English Fluently now.
Link in description and pinned comment. Grab it before you forget.
Okay, final section coming. Section 6 covers special tips.
Ready for extra insights?
Let's go. Special tip: figuring out service charges versus tips.
Ask, is service included if you're unsure?
Another tip: asking about ingredients.
Does this dish contain nuts or is it gluten-free?
Great for dietary needs.
Pronunciation check. Could you tell me how to say that?
Servers and baristas are happy to help.
Learning local food terms is fun. Bagel, biscotti, tortilla.
Also, practice describing flavor: sweet, savory, spicy.
You can say, is it very spicy?
Or, I prefer mild heat, please.
Now, role play a polite complaint if needed.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake in my order.
Would you mind checking?
Use polite tone. I'm sorry to bother you.
Next, handling payments. Could I pay separately?
Or, I'll cover this round.
Section 6. We're almost at the finish line.
1 more section to go.
Section 7 will wrap up and say goodbye. Get ready.
We've covered so much. Ordering, conversation, culture.
You're doing great.
Let's do a quick recap next.
Then we'll say our farewells.
Here we go. Final stretch.
Section 7, let's finish strong.
Ready?
Let's dive in.
See you in the next section.
Almost there. Hang on.
Welcome to our final recap section.
We walked through cafe, restaurant, fast food, phone, app.
And covered cultural tips, pronunciation, and polite phrases.
You've seen real-life examples to use right away.
Now, one last reminder, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
And leave a comment with your favorite phrase or food.
Tell us where in the world you're watching from.
We love sending shout-outs to our global community.
Grab our free guide, How to Speak English Fluently, in the description.
It's full of dialogues, exercises, and bonus tips.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We had a blast talking about food and English with you.
Keep practicing. Language is for living, not memorizing.
We'll see you next time on the English Talk Show podcast.
Until then, stay curious and adventurous.
Have fun exploring new flavors and phrases.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye-bye, and enjoy your meals and your English.
Cheers to your progress.
Take care and talk soon.
Thanks for listening.
We appreciate you.
Stay safe and stay hungry for knowledge.
Farewell for now.
A big thank you to our audience.
You make this podcast possible.
Keep shining and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.
Until next time, bon appetit and happy talking.
Goodbye.